In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up expense reminders in QuickBooks Online. Managing your expenses effectively is key to staying on top of your financial game, and QuickBooks Online offers a great way to help you do just that. With its recurring transaction feature, you can set up reminders for expenses like subscriptions, bills, or any other regular payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. If you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to your dashboard. At the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is where your settings menu is located. Click on that gear icon to open the menu. Next, from the menu options that appear, select Recurring Transactions. This is where you'll manage all your templates for recurring expenses. Once you're on the Recurring Transactions page, look toward the top right of the screen and click the New button to create a fresh template. When prompted, choose Expense as the transaction type. After selecting it, click OK to move forward. Now it's time to name your template. Make sure to pick a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, if this is for a monthly software subscription, you might name it something like Monthly Software Subscription Reminder. Next, adjust the template type to Reminder. This ensures you'll get notified a set number of days before the expense is due, rather than automatically recording the transaction. Speaking of notifications, enter the number of days in advance you want to be reminded. For instance, if you'd like to be alerted 3 days before the payment date, enter 3. Then, set up the schedule for the reminder. Choose the interval such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly based on how often the expense occurs. You'll also need to enter a start date for the reminders. If the expense has an end date, you can add that as well, though it's optional. After that, select the frequency that matches the expense. For example, if this is a monthly bill, choose monthly. If it's an annual payment, select yearly. Now enter the name of the payee, the person or company you'll be paying. This could be the name of a vendor, a service provider, or whoever is associated with the expense. Next, choose the payment account. This is the account you'll be using to pay the expense, such as your business checking account or a credit card. Once the account is set, you'll need to assign the expense to the appropriate category or account. For example, if this is a software subscription, you might categorize it under Software and Subscriptions, or a similar expense category. Now, fill in the amount you expect to pay, along with a brief description of the expense. If your QuickBooks setup includes tracking by class or location, you can add those details here as well. If the expense involves tax, make sure to include the relevant tax information. This is important for keeping your records accurate and up to date. Finally, if you have a sample statement, agreement, or any other reference document related to this expense, you can attach it to the template. While this step is optional, it can be helpful for keeping all related materials in one place. Once everything is complete, double-check your entries to make sure all the details are correct. When you're ready, click Save Template to finish setting up your expense reminder. And that's it. You now have a recurring transaction reminder set up in QuickBooks Online. This will help you stay organized and ensure you never miss an important payment. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.